Hello everyone, and I am trading. I'm level 81 or 82, and I just traded this girl for my SF corset. She gave me DD gloves, Nightmare Chat, Sea Star Pearl bracelet, lace corset, and diamonds. She gave me one more thing. I think it was a skirt. Yeah, this one. I really like this skirt, and I've been wanting it for quite a while now. I think it's worth it. I want to get the whole set one day. But yeah, today we're doing the paperclip challenge. I keep seeing people doing this, and they've always been like, oh, this is the best challenge. It gets you so much great stuff. So I figured I'm going to try it and see what happens. So yeah. Let's see. Maybe blue. Let's do blue. See what we can mooch off her. I think I'm gonna start with but the goal for today is DD heals. If I don't get those, that's okay. I at least want my teddy bear, and if I get either of those, I'm fine. Hello. Let's start with this. Okay, they said no thank you, so we're going to start off with a different item. Let's see. Dang it, I'm going to start with the chick backpack. Let's do her. She's lower level than me, so why not? That's Crispy Chicken 0900. Nice name. Hello. I am taking offers for this. Let's see. Bam. Yes, I'm one of those people who in trading have like Jack Diddley squat. I don't even have any shoes. That's why I want DD heals so bad. I'm going to break through this a little bit. I'm going to buy an item, see what she has. I'll be back with you after that's done. Alright, so I'll just say hi to YouTube. She said hi. Okay, everyone, so I'm going to be trading Ninetales. So, thank you. Okay, and now let's find someone to trade. I think I might have to server hop because I've been in this same server all day long. Okay, so, hello. Take off something for this. Let's see what she says. For I said $400 for a chat, and okay, let's see. I don't have to be a two-pointer because I'm only allowed to film for 15 minutes. That's all my recorder tells me to, so. Yeah, 15-minute videos. Whoop, whoop. Sorry if the audio is crap. Oh, Jesus. Should I tell her that I don't really use wings? I don't want to break her heart or anything. I have a lot of these too. Like, I have 2 of these. allowed to not accept if you don't like the offer. Yeah, this might be a while, so I'll pause the video and check my zero, and the trade is done. Okay guys, turns out she wasn't the right person for that trade. I didn't really like what she had to offer. All she had was a bunch of wings, and so, yeah. Yeah. If you want to, you can try for me at It's Me, Your Girl 123, but, yeah. Okay, well, let's try her. Ivy. Hey, hello. I'll take almost anything. Anything for these. So, yeah, I'll be back with you when the trade is accepted or declined. Okay, so that one didn't turn out good. I can ask Lila. I think I already asked her though. Hi again. I look for skirts, corsets, or heels. So yeah, I'll be back with you at the end of that trade. Okay guys, so I think I'm going to accept the trade. 9 tails for the Diodora ruffled skirt. We're working our way up. I think she's going to be really happy. Because she has the 9 tails, and those look awesome. I gave my sister and her girlfriend a pair. But only because, yeah, because she really likes the 9 tails, and because so does her girlfriend, so I let them both overpay for them. Yes. This was my calling. Yeah. So yeah, I'll be back soon. Hello guys, so the next person is here. Okay, I'll take almost anything for this. I'm not picky. Sparkly Sorrow. Okay, so I'll be back with you soon. Hey guys, so they put up a bunch of their stuff, and I chose the archery kit and the backpack. Archery kit because I like it, backpack because I like it. Don't judge me. So I'm going to have to trade in two things, backpack and the Swift Archer set. I think I'm going to have to server hop, but I don't think, because I think this girl is new. And holy crap, she has a friggin' halo. What? I think she's AFK. I'll be like, hello, man. Oh, she disabled it because people are gonna just treat her and be like, is there a halo? Where's it? Oh, she has Donna Valentina and freaking DD heals? What the frick, dude? Dude, what the freak? Ask Tokyo. Hello. I'll take almost anything for these. Anyway, I'm gonna throw in my DD light score set because I don't really like it. So, meh. Screw you, friggin' Donald Trump. Oh, okay. So the other day, this very strange occurrence happened. Okay. Okay, so this girl, she had a halo and she let me offer it. It was the lowest tier halo. And I said in the chat while we were trading, it shouldn't be too hard because it's the lowest tier. So I offered some pretty decent stuff. Not too high, not too low. She said, no thank you, but I will think about your offer. And then like 5 minutes later, she said, are you the girl I just traded? I was like, yeah. So then she said, I liked your offer. And I was like, oh, do you really? And I thought, oh my god, I was going to get a halo. And, I was just very excited that I was going to get a halo, and so I was like, OMG, OMG, I can't wait. So I just, and then she thought she could call me a scammer? Like, I don't think that's how it works. It's just that it's such a low quality halo. It's literally the lowest tier. And so then she made this giant deal out of it, out of the trade. Like, it was the end of the world. I seriously cannot with that girl. And so then she was all like, oh ho ho, boo hoo. And she was like, oh, I have video evidence and I'm going to send it to Call Me Bob. And I was like, how are you going to send it to Call Me Bob? Anyway, 14 minutes and I have to upload this video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Part 2 will be out soon. Bye-bye. Hugs and kisses. Nya, 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 nya.